this might be short-lived because I'm hooked into the Yeti. Here's me Yeti. Here's me Yeti. Yeah, 100%. Wife's out there. She's waiting for me. I gotta go hook up the canoe. And we're gonna canoe. Yeah. Oh, where's my drink? I don't got a hand for that. Sometimes you wonder, it's like, where's my third arm? So I can hold my beer myself. Alright. Let's see if my little glove here. Oh, you turned off? You turned it off? Oh shit, it worked with my glove. Hey, alright. Yeah, alright, we're walking out of the property. Got the canoe over here all just about ready to get hooked up. What? Well, that's up to you. Yeah, wife. Say hi, wife. Do it. Shit. We're gonna have fun. It'll be alright. Hey, oh, shit. This glove works on the phone. Put you down right here. Yeah, put you on the seat over here. Hey. Alright. Well, you can run the phone. I don't want too much. No slackers. Just enough of Here we are. We're all juiced up, ready to go. Alright, so I was gonna have I guess I'll just go to the front right here. Huh? Go over the mics. Go up the driveway and we'll see from there, eh? Okay, like, that's a bad spot. Might have to go to the back here. Yep, right to the back. Got my little foot tracks. Got fucking Yeti. Got the Yeti. We can believe. I believe in you. Alright, let's do this. We're all good. Oh shit. Hey, Mike! Where you at, bro? I hope he's not having a breakup. Your door doesn't work. I'm just making a video. I'm just making a video. You want to go in the canoe, dude? Let's do it.
I'm good right now, dude.
What?
I'm hanging drywall right now.
Hanging drywall.
I know.
Get your stuff on. Let's go canoe.
No, I'm good right now.
Alright.
I'm not feeling it. Hey! Enough!
I'm not filming you. This is not me, but yeah, like.
Yeah, dude. Glad you're having fun, though.
Can I?
What's that?
Can I have some fun?
Yeah.
I love you. I love you too. We need to hang out, bro.
I know. Well, I'm busy right now.
Well, have fun with your sheetrock.
I know. It's so fun. But
No, I was just out here fucking, it's like, fuck, it's cold, man. I gotta fucking do something. The wife's over here fucking about ready to have a fucking
Getting
history. She's like, I'm not up for it. She's like, say hi, wife. See? That's how I'm connected, man. I stay connected. That's over here. I know, it's sick. This cold weather after 40 degrees is sick. We're gonna canoe it.
enjoy.
It'll be alright. Alright, sweetheart. No takers today. I guess we go back home. Alright. I'm sure I'll pull right around with you, no problem. I'll disconnect, sweetheart. Oh, I fucking love you. Crazy ass wife. Here, let me disconnect you. Alright. Alright, you good. You clear. Oh, yeah. It's the frozen cable. Alright. So. Woo! Alright then. Well, we made it. We made it. Ah. Oh, this is Salty Alaska Rambo.